So now that it's up and running, I can take the IP address here, and I will go ahead and SSH to that IP address. I'm going to go ahead and install Node.js from an app repository. I happen to have the repository key there so that I can go ahead and load that up. Apt-get update, like you do. If you're not a developer or not familiar with Ubuntu, don't worry about it. It's just fetching new packages so that it can install the latest and most appropriate software. And install Git and Node. Still pretty simple here. And then I'm going to use a tool called Screen. Well, first I'm going to clone the Etherpad repository. Then I'm going to use a tool called Screen to actually run the Etherpad sort of install script. I'm using Screen because that way if I disconnect from this VM, Etherpad will continue running. So just Screen, give it a session name, then give it a command to run inside of that Screen session. So there we go. Connect to the screen so we can see what it's doing. And you can see that Etherpad is doing its first run and installing all of its dependencies. And now it is running real quick. So I've got a virtual distributed team. I want to work with them all brainstorming at the same time. I'm going to go ahead and create a new Etherpad pad here. And you'll see this is a very typical workflow for us at Nebula, actually. We have a couple offices and a lot of remote people around the world. So we do a lot of our collaboration this way. And we do use internal Etherpad. So what are we going to do? We're going to use Stackato to deploy all of our VMs and manage our app because that's easier.